Hello all, this is a video guide demonstrating installation of Gupshup CRM app in Salesforce. There are two important points to be noted before we start. First, users should have login credential to Salesforce org in which Gupshup app needs to be installed. Second point, the user need to have admin access to the Salesforce org. Now, let's jump to Salesforce. So, before I before installation of Gupshup app, as a pre-installation activity, we need to perform some steps. Let's look at one by one. So under setup, you need to go under schema settings. You need to check that manage list custom type is enabled or not. If not enabled, please do enable it. Now we are done with pre-installation steps. Now we are good to initiate the installation of Gupshup app. Please click on the link provided by Gupshup to start the installation. Now, once you have clicked on that link, your screen will look like this. Now you need to install it for all users. You need to acknowledge it. You need to click on install. You need to approve third-party access. You need to click on grant access, and you just need to click. You need to wait for 15 to 20 minutes for the installation. Now, Gupshup app is installed. You just need to click on done. And in the install packages, Gupshup app is installed. Now we need to perform post installation steps. Let's do it one by one. So under setup, you need to go into my domain. You need to copy this part, which is current my domain URL. You just need to copy it. Now you need to create new CSP trusted site. So going here under CSP trusted site, I'm going on new create new. You can write Gupshup CSP. HTTPS. Now you need to, after HTTPS and this, you need to copy that you need to paste that you copied from my domain. Make sure it is active. You need to check on all the checkbox and you just need to save it. Next step is to set the page layouts for the objects. So I'm going on the read object. Now let's set the page layout. Clicking on edit assignment. Now, based on the business requirement, you need to choose appropriate profile. Uh, so we will choose Gupshup lead layout for system admin. Save it. Now let's go to lightning record pages. Let's open it. Let's view it. You need to ignore the background and you need to click on activation. You need to click on app record type and profile. You need to click on this button. You need to click on Gupshup app. You need to choose desktop. You need to choose master. And based on the business requirement, you can choose appropriate profile. And we are now choosing system admin. Now let's go back and let's set the page layout for contact. So we are doing the same thing that we did in previously. We are opening Lightning record pages now. Let's open view. You need to click on activation. Choosing master. Based on the business requirement, you can choose appropriate profile. Save it. Now let's do it for opportunity object. So based on the business requirement, you can assign the page layout to appropriate profile. Save it. Setting the record page. Clicking on activation. Right. You need to click on back. Now we need to set the page layout for account. So based on the business requirement, you can assign the page layout to appropriate profile. Going to the set the record pages. Now, based on the business requirement, you can choose profile. Just need to save it. Now we need to configure for campaign object. So based on the business requirement, you can choose layouts. So I've selected Gupshup campaign layout to the system admin profile. We don't need to set lightning record pages for campaign object. And this completes our pre-installation, installation, and post-installation for Gupshup. Thank you.